Good morning all are welcome to our college Sharad Institute of Technology Polytechnic at our Department of Information Technology. On today's we will start the 48th lecture on course that is subject data structure using C. Here vision mission of departmental vision statement to excel in information technology engineering education to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever-growing needs of society and industry. Departmental mission, there three statements are there first, to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. Second, to build the professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. Third, to embed professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. Post outcome, after the completion of unit number 5, you achieve which CO, fifth CO, that is implement programs to create and traverse tree to solve problems. Here syllabus for course, there 5 units are there and their marks allocation. Here syllabus for unit number 5. Now continue the next point, types of trees and traversal methods. In under, which are the types of trees? General tree, binary search tree, that is BST. Types of trees and traversal methods. In this section we studied the types of trees such that general tree, and binary search tree. In that first general tree, a general tree is a tree where each node may have 0 or more children. General trees are used to model applications such as file system in computer. A general tree is defined as non-empty set T elements called nodes such that a set of 0 items is a tree called as empty tree. That is said as the null tree. Means what? In that no any items are there, that is said as the empty tree. If T1, T2 up to Tn are the n trees for n greater than 0 within T comma R is called as the root of T, and T1 to Tn are the sub trees are there. Okay. What is the application or what is the use of this general tree in a computer system, file system? These are the example of this general tree. In a figure shows that in figure A shows that root is equal to null, means this empty tree. There are no nodes. The tree in figure B has only one node, the root, this like. Okay. And in a C has the 16 nodes. The root node has 4 subtrees. This is the root node, there are 4 subtrees. 1, 2, 3, 4. In that these are the level 0, level 1, 2, 3. The advantages of the relationship between the parent and its child, we commonly says that a directed edge or simply an edges extends from the parent to its children. Such edge is connected to a root within the roots of the each subtree. For example, in that figure C, an edges extends from the root B to each of the nodes C, D, E, F. Similarly, edges extends from the E to I and from K to G. So in that B is the root node and their children node are the C, D, E, F. Again we said that the E in that E to I, after that K to G, in that K to not a G, in that D are there. In the printing we say that the K for D instead of K to D means D to G. That's like. General tree is what is indicate that general tree means in that general tree are there One is the case empty tree, second case is the only for root tree, other case is the their child node also possible. Next, second type, binary tree. A binary tree is tree where every node can have maximum of 2 children is called as binary tree. Okay. A binary tree is a special type of tree where one of the node is designated to root node and the remaining nodes are partitioned into 2 subtrees of the root node is known as the left subtree and right subtree. So this is the A is node, this is the left subtree and these are the right subtree. Like the non-empty left subtree and the right subtree are also known as the binary tree. So in the under no any left or right, then also it is possible to binary tree. Unlike general tree, each node in a binary tree is restricted to have at most 2 child nodes only. At most means maximum 2 child nodes are there. Most commonly used tree is a binary tree as shown in that figure. A binary tree has degree 2. Each node has at most 2 children. Okay. Means at most means maximum 2 children are there. We consider the order of the children significant in a binary tree. Hence, each child node is either a left node or a right node. Let us formalize this notation in a following definition of the binary tree. A binary tree may have defined as follows. First, a binary tree is an empty tree. Second, a binary tree contains of a node called as root and left subtree and right subtree both of which are the binary tree. Once again, this slide examples of binary tree. This also possible, this also possible, and this also possible. That 2 child, there also again 2 child. These are empty tree. After that, in that said as the binary tree consists of the node called as the root and left subtree and right subtrees, both which are the binary tree. Once again that binary tree are formed that. Next, third type is that binary search tree. Binary search tree. A binary search tree BST is a binary tree that is either empty or in which every node contains a key, that is data or info, and satisfies the following conditions. Okay, first condition is that the key in a left child of the node is less than the key in its parent node. It means that left side as all are the values are smaller than parent's node. The key in the right child of the node is the greater than the key in the parent's node. Right childs are all nodes are greater than that parent's node. The left and right subtree of the nodes are again binary search trees. Again next condition same follows that first 2 rules. Means for example, these are in this figure. 15 is the parent's node. In that left subtree, right subtree. Left is the less than 25, greater than 30. In that 10 less than 5, greater than 15 is greater than 10. That's like this is the third condition. Left and right subtrees of that nodes are again binary search tree. That first 2 rules are follow that. Next point, the definition of ensure that no 2 entire in a binary search tree can have equal keys. Following is the example of binary search trees where all keys in a left subtree is less than root and all keys in right subtree is greater than root. In order to create the binary search tree on given data use following steps. That first step, read the data in an item variable. After that, allocate the memory for a new node and store the address of that pointer root. Store the data x in the node root. Next condition, if that check if data is less than root dot data. Fifth step, recursively create the left subtree of the root and make it the left child of root. This data is less than that root, then create in a left subtree. Again, next check condition, the data is greater than root, then recursively create the right subtree of that root to make the creates in a right child of root. These are the steps to create the binary search tree. Below is a recursive algorithm to perform above mentioned steps. This is the algorithm. Root is initially null. Okay. Data is the key which you want to insert. If root is equal to null, then create a node via the with data and return it. Means if root is equal to null means no any elements are there, then automatically that are considered as a root and return that. Else, if the data is greater than root, then if the data is greater than root, then if data is greater than root means right subtree. Okay, not a left. These statements are swap that. Okay. If the data is greater than the root, then root of right is equal to create root right data. Else, root dot left is equal to create root dot left and data. Example, to create the binary search tree for sequence, for example 20, 17, 29, 22, 45, 9, 19. Okay. First step. In that, what is the first step? The first item is 20. And it is the root node, so begins the tree. 20 is the root node. Next step, sequence 20, 17, 29, 22, 45, 9, 19. Okay. This is the binary tree. So three are two child nodes available, the left and the right. Okay. The next number is the 17. Is the rule is applied left is less than the parent node, and so it is has to be the left node like this. Okay, 17 is less than 20, so is a constant in a create in a left side. Next sequence means these numbers. The next number is 29. This is the higher than the root, so it is goes to the right subtree, which happens is to be empty at the stage. So the tree now looks like this. Clear that? Next number is the 22. This is the more than the root node, and so need to the right subtree, and the first node is already occupied, so the rules is applied again to that the node, means 22 comes before the 29, and so it is needs to be a left because it is left subtree of that node, like because this 22 is less than that 29 is next subtree of that 29. Again, fifth step is the next element is 45. This is the more than the root and more than the first right node, means the 29, so it is placed in the right side of that tree. 45 is greater than 29, so it is moved to the right side. Again, next step which are the 9, which is the less than the root. Okay, the first node of this occupied, means 17 is occupied. 9 is the less than that is to that node 2, so it is placed on the left subtree like this. The 9 is the less than 17, so it is placed in a left subtree. Next point 19. Next number is 19. Okay, the next number is the 19, which is less than the root. So it is the inner left side is come that it is greater than 17, so it is the placed in the right subtree. These are the examples. In your board exam, this question is asked to create the binary search. Number is given that time to this rules are followed, and to solve that example means how create that this like tree. Which rules are followed? these steps are followed. This is the program, but in a generally not question is the program, only for question is asked to the theory. When we in order, post order, pre order that we are taken, that time this program is important. Time take on that. Next point, operations on binary search tree. The various operations that can be performed on the binary search tree are searching, inserting, deleting and traversing. Okay, these are the important that. First, insertion of a node into the binary search tree. This operation is on a binary search tree is very simple. Insertion of a node into the binary search tree. This operation adds or insert an element to binary search tree, that is BST. The steps of insertion are same as the creation of binary search tree is explained earlier. Means how to create the binary search tree, that steps are followed. The examples are in below figure. Binary search tree before insertion. Okay, when you want to insert the find the location of where 17 should be inserted. Okay, 17 should be inserted that. For example, okay, in that check firstly 17 is greater than or smaller than 10 is greater than. So go in a right subtree. In that check 17 is less than 30. So place in that. Again, next operation, deletion of the node from the binary search tree. This operation is used to delete the node from the BST. There are three cases that can occur. Case first, if the node to be deleted n is the leaf node, simply make the pointer fields of the parent node of n to null. Means what? Case 1 in that figure shows that A and B before deletion of the node 90. After deletion of the node 90. In that said that what is the case 1? If the node has been deleted, n is the leaf node. For example, this is the, you want to delete the number element 90 and it is the leaf node, then simply make two pointer fields of that parent's node, n is to be null there. Okay, means what? In that 90 will be deleted. This line before and after. Case 2, if the node to be deleted n has a child, okay, simply set the pointer field of that parent node of n to the point to the only child node of n as shown in the below figure. Means what? If you want to delete the node 30, okay, first of all search that, okay, this number will be deleted and that are the placed in the their child node as that place, this line. If the node has to be deleted n, means any number has two children, then simply in order successor we will take the deleted node position. In that figure A and B shows that here in order successor of the node 50 is 80, place it's in the place of 50. Means what? Before deletion of the node 50. Okay, for example, in a case which are the two child node, that time in order is placed. Okay, this 50 will be deleted and then next which are the 80 number will be placed on that 50 position, this line. In which case when two childs are there, in only for middle the element will be deleted, then next is only one childs are there, then automatically that will be placed, and the element is deleted, you want to leave node, then no any problem there, directly deleted. Next operation, traversal operations on binary search tree. All the traversal operations are applicable in binary search tree like in order traversal, pre-order and post order, etc. These are the in detail we studied in a next point, means binary tree traversal in under the traversal point. Searching a BST. This operation searched a particular node in a BST, means binary search tree. Searching for the data in a binary search tree is much faster than the array or linked list. Applications of BST: sorting a set of data, removing the redundancies from the collections of data, and the searching for an element. Okay, here the binary search tree. Summary on that today's lecture: types of trees and traversal methods. In order only for seeing the types of tree. Which are the types of tree? General tree, binary search tree, and their traversal methods are will be studied into through next lecture. Homework for you: continue the assignment number 5. Their questions are there, that will solve it. Yes, stop on today's lecture. In this lecture any doubts are arise, then contact with me. Thank you.